You know, hello. You know this shape? Uh, it's easy to make it on all sides. And yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how to make it on 4 and 2 sides. So to the 4 side, this is how I do it. I do like this. I twist that. You know, the cross shape. But yeah, the beginning. Then I twist the middle. Then I do like this. I twist these two like that. Then I take back this white and yellow side. So for me it's white and yellow. Yeah. And there you got them all in 4 sides. Then if you want to make it on 2 sides, then make it back to this, say the middle. And then you turn it like this and do the same step as you did to get this piece. And now you got it you got the shape on just 2 sides. And back it easy to make back. Yeah, please comment if you knew about that.